Welcome back to Those Kids City. Well, as you know, there's been a lot of TikTok videos coming on, and I haven't done one with me on it in a while, so I thought of doing one. And this is for some Welsh wrestling videos. As you can see, I got some pictures over here, me and the ref from a few, because I have been going there like about 4 or 5 times, and here's a picture of me and my dad once going. So, well, I've met a lot of people, and yeah, there would be an intro part on it, so don't miss out on that part. I'll show you some of the pictures I've had with them. So I've had some good pictures with them from before.
There you go.
And here's some pictures. And me in winter, this was for my first time. And there was some meet and greet pictures. That's what I'm holding. I'll get mine from last time quickly. From last time. As most some of them don't look like they do on the picture. That guy in the mask doesn't look like that anymore. That guy doesn't look like that anymore. That guy doesn't wear a hat anymore. And this guy was from the first time. And as you can see, I think that guy is in the middle below. Put that down below. So, here is one of my best people. He's known as my uncle, kind of. But, in one of your videos, you would have seen him. He's the Exotic Agent Street. I saw him at Welsh Wrestling. I think that was 2nd or 3rd time. And then one of my bestest ones who recognises me most of the time. The big dog. I got 2 pictures of him, I think. Yeah, 2. Well, he likes to do happy faces sometimes and funny faces. So, this is what he looks like. He's the big dog. He is on this picture too. He wears a cape like you see. See? He doesn't wrestle like that. It's like most of the time after matches he wears a Welsh wrestling top. And as you can see, I'm wearing a Welsh wrestling top. And here's another picture of him and me. Yeah, like, I know that I'm doing that too symbol. But it's because it's mainly why you have to do in the meet and greet. That's why you have to do in it. And now we have Kid. This is the Kid Cymru for my first time, you see? There's Kid Cymru. Doesn't he look the same, people? And this guy is like one of the baddie Kid Cymrus. We forgot his name because he was in it first time. This is Danny something, but we forgot his last name because it was like years ago. Because like last year, all of the coronavirus started, so they cancelled Welsh Wrestling. They said it would have came out when the people who's in year 3 right now would have been in year 4. That was what they were saying, but then they took it back out, and I'm really pleased. But this was from like 2 years ago. I do look a lot different by now, don't I? And this is Machine Titan. He got once injured, if you know, or if one of you are one of the fans of Welsh Wrestling. Because you should know if you're a fan. So that's why he hasn't been here if you didn't know. Because he's had a really big injury. And he broke his shoulder too, so. Here we go, one of the posh guys. We forgot his name. He was Jay Model. It was. My dad just reminded me quickly. Jay Model. Here we go. The last one. Stevie Star. I just need to get back quickly to Kid Cymru because now my dad is going to show you a video of these 2 guys, these 2 Welsh wrestlers, on a team tag. If you see one with no hair and a grey beard, that would be Stevie because he's changed. And if you see one with a Welsh flag, no mask, and looks a bit like that, but no mask, and brown hair. That would be him. Now my dad is going to show you the intro of Stevie Star and Kid Cumry. How cool is that entrance? Did you like it, guys? Well, give a thumbs up if you like it. Now, I'll show you some more photos. How cool was all those photos? Well, that was very good, wasn't it? All those photos. Well, and I should tell you some bonus things. Well, my cousin was there too, and as I showed you a picture of Exotic Catering Street coming in, he doesn't wrestle anymore, but I did do an interview with him. If you haven't watched that video, watch it straight after this video. And if you want straight after that video, you can watch Played It With My Cousin. It is called that, okay? Because you might have thought Noah's cousin, okay? But it's my cousin. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Bye!